we are back at Planet Hollywood. This is a resort Vista View room, which I know Vista and View are the same thing, but that's the name of the room. So anyway, this is a complimentary upgrade because of my diamond status. So no upgrade charge, no resort fee, no tax. So if you haven't already, sign up for a Caesars Rewards card if you stay at Caesars Entertainment Properties, like we tend to do about 90% of the time that we're here. So we are right here. I'm really excited about this room. That's us right there, and right here is Las Vegas Boulevard. So I'm pretty excited to check out what the view is going to look like because it is a resort Vista View room. So anyway, this is the entry. I really like it. Nice and spacious here. It's just sitting around. You don't want to disturb somebody that's sleeping there. This is something unique, and I haven't seen this before. There's a closet right when you come in, and it's just standard closet. Caesars Entertainment always has a complimentary refrigerator, which is one of the reasons that we are always partial to Caesars, because while MGM properties have great rooms, their refrigerators are stocked. You can't touch them, you can't really use them, so you're having to deal with getting ice and all that stuff. So anyway, over here is another closet. See, our stuff is in there already, standard, but if you have a lot of stuff, it's nice to have the extra room. And here's the bedroom area, which is pretty nice. Very spacious room in here. So you see the flat screen over there. I like this because I get up earlier than my wife does, so while she's still in bed, I can sit over here and watch some television, have a cup of coffee while she's sleeping there, and I'm not bothering her. So the views are amazing. I did take a sneak peek before you guys came in the room. Bellagio fountains right over here. You can see Paris. You have the Cosmopolitan right across the street with the ice skating rink, which is going to look really nice once it's all lit up. Might be a little too chilly, but you're overlooking the pool, which is nice also. And here you've got some extra drawers for your stuff, so lots of space for storage in here. Now, if you guys watch any of my videos, you know that I'm all about the bathroom. It has to be top notch. I like to take a bath. You know, you're in Vegas, you're doing a lot of walking, you're in the smoky casinos, you want to put your feet up, and I love to take a bath in a nice clean hut or a nice clean tub. So let's see what this is like. This is nice. This is really nice. Whew. Look at this. We're seeing this for the first time. That is pretty awesome. This is the Vista. I'm gonna lay in here later, just so you guys know, and I'm gonna watch people ice skating. So this is pretty awesome. And then you have a decent sized shower, a little bench in there, decent. Nice big sink area, and of course, the all-important toilet. One of the things that I like about Planet Hollywood rooms is that they have a door separating. It's the best. All right, guys, there you have it. This is a resort Vista View. This is 1179 North. So I hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We're trying to build our YouTube audience here to help us with our TV show. If you have any comments, any questions, comment below. If you look at my other videos, you will notice every single comment I get to. As long as it's a real comment, I don't respond to bots, but real comments I get to. I want to hear from you guys, and I want to help you guys when you're planning your next trip to Vegas.